Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So today I want to talk about the phrase, I want some more. Before we begin, please subscribe and inshallah you get good deeds for it. So, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the first thing we want to recognize is that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He is the best of providers. Anything you want, He can provide for you if He so wishes. And we should recognize that He is the one who owns everything. So that means that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that no one except for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala can provide you with whatever you want. And we should remember that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He has already written down in whichever way is befitting of Him everything that will happen. So there's no point in trying to go after more and more and more, because no matter how it may feel, there is a limit to what we are going to get in this life, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has decided it to be that way. And when you think about things like this, it makes you realize that the successes, the loss, they were all due to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That nothing happens without His permission, and that we shouldn't become arrogant. We should humble ourselves. That this is what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has decided to give us. This is what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has chosen for us. That Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala chose us instead of someone else to get this. And so this pursuit of worldly life, it's not worth it. At the end of the day, there's only going to be so many years you're going to live. This life, it will go by in a flash compared to the akhirah. This life is a critical moment for us. Right now is a critical moment. What we do now is a critical moment. Allahu alam, if you even have another moment. Allahu alam, what's gonna happen next. You can die at any moment now. And your death is guaranteed. There's so much research that goes into, is there ways to cheat death? But at the end of the day, there isn't. Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has written down death for all of us. And at first it may seem very, very sad. And it might be very, very sad. Especially for those who have experienced others who have died. But do remember that death is not the end. Death is not an void of nothingness. Death is just the next step. The next step will be the grave, and then the day of judgment, then Jannah or Jahannam. So whatever happens, just remember that this isn't the only life. Prepare for your next life. Don't prepare more stuff for this life. There's only going to be so much that happens. Make an effort and dedicate yourself to the next life. And balance yourself. Keep pace of yourself so you don't burn out. Keep pace of your akhirah and your dunya. But never forget that this dunya, for however much we place importance on it, this dunya is temporary. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakallah khairan kaseera for watching. Please subscribe and inshallah you'll get good deeds for it.